Okay, love you guys. How you doing, my sweet brothers and sisters in Christ? Hi, I told you folks about how I love helicopters. I was going to take helicopter lessons and it rained. I was going to go for a ride on one first before I took lessons. And you don't have to have any prior education. You can just go to Lagoon Drive and they'll let you learn to fly. Yep, I was talking to a guy. They put out fires and go on rescues and stuff like that. So I'm up here at a base and there are some helicopters here. I love helicopters. I do not know why. I have no idea why I love them so much. Maybe it's because they just take off straight into the air. So this is one. It's kind of cloudy and windy. There's some red hibiscus. You can make hibiscus tea. Hibiscus. Say hibiscus. I love you guys. I love you so much. I wanted to try and get my son. Oh, by the way, my saga on the arrest thing, they didn't charge me with anything and gave me my bail money back. And my son, I went to court for him today, and they wanted to let him go, but he's still got some bench warrants. How can he still have bench warrants? He was in prison. Why didn't they know that? But anyway, I call at 4 o'clock. They got to wait for the paperwork. And she dismissed the rest of the time. He would have had 140 days, but he'd already spent, I don't know how many, 3 months in there or something. There's another helicopter. So, somebody asked me, well, what happened to your family? Nothing happened to my family. I raised my children in righteousness, taught them to prayer, tried to share the gospel with them, and even one of my children at age 4 took off over a canal at Hickam Air Force Base and went to the movies, and I couldn't find her. So I had somebody watch my other 3 children. I knew where she was because the Spirit of the Lord lets you know those things. This is a Bell helicopter, OH-531 Kiowa. The eyes of the 25th Infantry Division. Wow. Anyway, here's another big one. Oh, that one's in pretty neat shape. Sorry it's so cloudy. We've been having rain, which we really need. And I wonder if I could sit on it. They would probably get mad at me. Oh, I heard a noise in there. Did you guys hear that? It's 00-0126. No steps. Oh, there's a gun there. Weapon. And, anyway, I forgot what else I was going to tell you. Battery access. Whoa, look at that gun. That's where really big things come out. It's kind of, I guess they sealed it up. Exit and release. Whoa. The closest I've been to helicopters. I parked my car in a weird place that I don't know what. But anyway, so I was telling you, I forget which story. What is this? This is odd looking. Looks like they took it apart. What is it? What is it? The name is off of it. Oh wait, the name's at the front. Anyway, have you ever heard of that? A stupor of thought? I call it a stupid thought. Wow, look at that's what shows you what the inside of the engine looks like. That's right behind the guy that sits there. Oh God, really? So anyway, there was this Italian guy. He built his helicopter. It was in the hangar. And he got ready to fly it. And it killed him. So that was just 2021. This is a Hiller helicopter OH-23G Raven, one of the first helicopters to serve in the 25th Infantry Division in Hawaii, 1957. Oh, wow. The wind is really blowing it around. So, thought you might just have fun looking at the helicopters. Oh, I missed that one way over there. No, did I do that one? Might have been the first one I did. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Isn't that cool? Those are the kind that, what do they call those? The prop planes. They're fighting, what's that guy? It's a Red Baron. Yeah. I remember something like that. There's one in the sky. I'm having fun. MWR hiring fair. Hosted by Lehua Golf Course. Where's that going to be at? I was thinking of going to work. Gas cost me $88 to fill my tank. It was $5.78 a gallon. I get 31 to 34, sometimes 41 miles to the gallon. And those electric cars go fast. I was kind of having fun with one earlier. Anyway, tractor. This place is amazing. Looks like it's space, huh? Wow. It has flat tires. What do these things over here say? I'm up over there is the mountain. That's the edge of the volcano. I live on the other side in the caldera. James D. Dole, the man who planted the pineapple industry, personally sponsored the Dole Derby, which departed Oakland, California on August 16th and landed here on August 17th, 1920.